TV just changed the game for sports junkies everywhere. Say goodbye to the days of frantically flipping channels or staring at 3 different screens just to catch your favorite teams. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The streaming giant has officially unleashed a mind-blowing, fully customizable multi-view feature, and it's a total dream come true for couch potatoes. For this massive upgrade, viewers were stuck with whatever boring preset channel combos YouTube TV picked out for them. Missed a big play because you couldn't mix March Madness with the local news? Total bummer, but not anymore. Now you're the boss of your own ultimate sports bar. With the slick new Multiview Builder, you can drag, drop, and smash any 4 live streams together at the exact same time. Want to watch 3 different NFL Sunday ticket games while keeping Red Zone pinned in the corner? Done. Need to track an intense NBA playoff game, an MLB rivalry, and breaking news report all at once? You got it. You can even save your favorite layouts so you never miss a single second of action. This update officially rolled out in late April 2026, and it completely changes how you watch traditional cable. While old school TV providers force you to buy extra boxes or second televisions just to keep up, YouTube TV throws this ultimate superpower right into its regular package. Combined with their monster sports plan and exclusive NFL rights, it's an absolute steal. YouTube TV has officially set a wild new standard for live television, leaving rival streaming apps scrambling to catch up. The future of sports watching is officially here, and you're in total control. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.